Okay, that'll be fun to put up on Facebook.
Yeah. Nice.
How you like this?
Oh, I just got off red again.
Oh shit!
Okay.
You put it on camcorder.
Oh, I did?
Oh no, where'd you have it?
I think it was there.
That's some. It'll be okay.
It'll be fine. We got lots of pictures.
We got lots of pictures.
Yeah.
This guy, hey? Hey, black and white. Well, I'll tell you.
I'm gonna walk down that way and go down to those reeds.
No, don't do that.
Why? I can come back.
It's real bad there.
Yeah?
No.
Well, let me go look and see what's what. This is hard.
Please don't do that, because if you fall, it's going to be hell getting you out of there.
Oh, I'm not gonna fall.
Yeah, she's going to step down over that little ridge there. Down she'll go.